Guys, welcome to another video by School of RPA. And in this video, we are going to talk about RP developer, the job of the future. So in this video, we'll cover the introduction, who is the RP developer, desirable skills for RP developers, RP developer skill set, RP developer roles and responsibilities, how to become an RP developer, and the conclusion. Have you ordered a product online and received a shipping notification via email, or perhaps filled out a job application online? If so, then you have been exposed to technology known as robotic process automation. But what exactly is RPA? Put simply, RPA allows for configuration of software robots to capture data and perform routine tasks, ranging from automated emails to streamlined process flows or business operations. Not only is RPA simple to employ, it provides a number of benefits, such as increase in efficiency and improved customer service. Now that you have an idea what RPA is, you may be wondering what type of career path is available to someone interested in this intriguing and rewarding field. One of the many RPA career possibilities available is that of an RPA developer. Who is an RPA developer? An RPA developer is someone who works cross-functionally with business operations and business analysts to create and optimize workflow processes. However, this is a relatively new career path, and many organizations' formal titles for RPA developers differ. The role of a successful RP developer requires specific skills and best practices like documentation and planning. In order to automate a business process, an RP developer will be required to create workflow diagrams and strategically document the process prior to implementation. While the responsibilities of a robotic process automation developer may vary, someone in this role is typically in charge of designing and managing workflow automation projects. The person may also be responsible for testing or bug fixes. So coding skills are important as well. In order to be successful in the role of RP developer, they must have the ability to navigate various appropriate technologies such as UiPath or Blue Prism. That you know what an RP developer is and what their duties look like, it's time to investigate skills that are essential for success in this domain. Few of the most important skills are outlined below. The first skill is strategic planning skill. Planning is imperative for success in this role. Setting a design goal or initiative for your RPA project and mapping out workflows will allow for an easier implementation. Strong analytical skills. You will need to be able to analyze a process and provide improvement recommendations. A key benefit of adopting an RPA is its ability to improve workflow. Therefore, as an RPA developer, you are responsible for managing the technology that does just that, improves workflow. Problem-solving skill. Automation does not always go smoothly the first time around. Mistakes happen and bugs will pop up. We already have mentioned that you may be responsible for testing and bug fixes. The ability to debug a robot will come in handy, saving you time and stress as you can handle any crisis that come along. And lastly, understanding of programming languages. It is critical that you have experience, or if not experience, at least a basic understanding of any programming language such as C, C++, Java, Python, or Ruby. Now, while the responsibilities of a RP developer may differ, someone in this job is normally responsible for planning and overseeing the workflow automation projects. You may likewise be liable for testing or bug fixes. So coding skills are significant also. So as to be fruitful in the role of RP developer, you should be able to explore different suitable technologies, for example, UiPath or Blue Prism. To turn into RP developer, there are few skills that you have to have. You need to ace the following range of abilities to turn into successful expert in this field. Now, to be an RP developer, you should have a programming background in either Java or .NET. Most of the RP tools are actually .NET based. So if you already are a .NET developer and you do an RPA course from let's say School of RPA, then this will be hugely rewarding for your career. You should have knowledge on database query languages like SQL, and you should know an RPA tool like Blue Prism or UiPath. That is what we teach. Now, RPA developers' roles and responsibilities. RPA developer helps in planning, creating, and implementing RPA system utilizing tools, for example, Automation Anywhere, Blue Prism, UI automation, and so on. Likewise, they help in setting up and analyzing automated business tasks. Some of the significant roles and responsibilities of RPA experts are as follows. Planning automation based on operational requirements of the organization. Utilizing any RPA tool to code and setting issues identified with automation, checking on the plan and the code of automation, giving gained expertise during system development and integration, arranging automation utilizing RPA tools, documenting the whole cycle of automation. When you become an RPA developer, RPA is an extremely high-level programming language, as the majority of its instruction will, in general, be tied in with the manipulating things on the screen, processing data, and passing information to various frameworks. What RPA software tends to do with the line of code would take various lines of code in most of the programming languages. In any case, if you have a degree in computer science, you can become an RPA developer. So even if you are a fresher in computer science, you can easily become an RPA developer. Additionally, you should know about coding languages and involvement with the RPA tools. So apart from having a a background degree in programming, you should at least have knowledge of one of the RPA tools that is shown on the screen. Now, if you really want to become an RPA developer, call us today and we will be guiding you on how you can transition from a developer to an RPA developer. We can help you learn RPA and set up an all-around planned RPA developer resume, which will give you a head start in your career. So call us today on 900-480-9189 and get your free consultation as how you can transition from, let us say, Java or .NET developer to an RPA developer and get a 60% salary hike. So thank you for watching my video. And to conclude, we will say that robotic process automation is still going to grow. Indeed, Forrester guides that by 2021, RPA market will reach $2.9 billion. And the better RPA gets, the more organization and enterprise will excitedly adopt it, making the requirement for considerably more RPA experts. What this will mean for the IT workforce and increase in recruiting, especially those with RPA in their range of abilities. A career in RPA additionally accompanies an appealing salary. As per Indeed.com, which is a career website, an average compensation for an RPA developer ranges from rupees 8 lakh to 14 lakh. So 8 lakh is a salary for somebody who has about 2 years of experience. And it can go up to 14 lakhs for somebody who has about 4 or 5 years of experience in RPA. Since this is yet a genuinely new industry, solid RPA skills are elusive and exceptionally valuable. So guys, thank you for watching my video. And if you'd like to learn RPA, do call me on 900-480-9189. Thank you and have a good day.